Hi everybody, I'm Mo and welcome to MomDas Live Handmade. Today I have for you 5 really beautiful Christmas ornaments DIY. They are so easy to make and you can make them using Dollar Tree or any craft store items. So this video is also a Dollar Tree hack because I'm going to show you what items you can get from Dollar Tree or any of the craft stores, or what is the alternative item that you can use to make these beautiful ornaments. These are in modern as well as farmhouse style. They have this beautiful look about them which is very elegant and perfect for decor this season, this year. I hope you will enjoy them. I'm so happy to be part of this awesome collaboration. Today's video is part of the collaboration that is being hosted by Sonja from Domestic Diva DIY, and she brought us together. She brought few YouTubers together to do this ornaments DIY collab with her. This is beautiful. I'll tag each and every YouTuber friend of mine who is there in this collaboration in the description box of my video, and I'm also going to give the link to the playlist where you can find lots of ideas related to ornaments DIY for getting items from craft stores or Dollar Tree. Do check out the playlist as well as all my friends who have joined in the collaboration. And if you're new here, please look around. My channel is about doing lots of DIYs, trash to treasures, high-end dupes, everything related to home within budget. And if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit that notification bell next to it and choose the ringing bell icon so that you're notified each time I post a video. If you like my videos, if you like the content of my channel, please share them with your friends and family who love to be creative, that too within budget. Let's begin with the tree ornaments. So one needs to get one of these tree ornaments available in the craft store, Dollar Tree, or anywhere you like. Otherwise, the alternative is take a good sturdy piece of cardboard, draw your shape and cut it out with a sharp knife. So once I have this shape, then I just marked and punched out a hole here for me to dangle the ornament. The next thing, I got these printed out. I made these checks and had them printed out in A4 size paper. I'm going to use this to cover my tree. Now because this is in diagonal checks, so if I place it like this, I somehow feel that the shape of the tree will get a little, confusing with this wild checks. So I'm going to place it diagonally like this and then cut and glue it to this, or glue and then cut it. So my tree looks like this, and very beautiful winter modern farmhouse. I'm taking a jute string and I'm going to put it through this hole and take it out. Bring the two strings together, and then I have few beads here. So you can take any sizes, numbers, choices, colors of beads. So I'm going to take 3 beads in this. It's already looking nice. Then I found this ribbons in stripes. So I'm just going to make a little bow here, and that will finish it. Always cut the ribbons in swallowtails. It just gives it a more finished, refined look, and it also prevents fraying. Now on this end, just make another knot at the loose ends of the twine, and this ornament is ready to go. This is really modern farmhouse with the check and the pretty ribbon, the beads. It's modern rustic glam and I really like this ornament. For this DIY, you need to get these tag ornaments from your craft store, Dollar Tree, wherever you like. I just did again the same thing. I took a cardboard, sturdy piece of cardboard, and I have cut it, made the shape and cut it to size. And next I'm going to paint it with black paint, or you can use chalkboard paint. Once dry, you can use a paint pen or a brush and write whatever words you want to write. You can do it in the Raiden style or you can do it in a freehand print. Well, I could have used beads like the first DIY, but what's the fun then? So I took these wooden buttons. I had these buttons with me, so I'm going to use them. So I took a string, a thick one on a needle, and these are just going through them like this. Now when I come out, I will again go in the same way, in and out. Now you can see that it bunches, it's not straight. We'll do that. So now I'll go through the whole of this tag, come out, and now I'll go the other way. So enter through the other side, and therefore I can lock it like this. So I come out here, and now I go down in this place. They will stay straight now. Now first a knot here, and then take the needle out and trim off the extra. Again a knot at the very tip of the free ends to make the loop. Again, I'm going to tie this ribbon at this point. Very modern chic. I love the chalkboard black color and the words on it. With the buttons, it's really nice. With the buttons, it looks just gorgeous. I really love this one. For this ornament, you might like to take Jenga blocks. So if you place 3 Jenga blocks together, it will form a square kind of shape. So that's the kind of thing I'm going to create. I have these Favi boxes. These are cardboard, thin cardboard boxes, and I have measured and cut it into 2 pieces to get 2 square boxes like this, square facing boxes. And this is my stack of Jenga blocks box made. So when I cut it, I made flaps like this. So 2 boxes from one such box comes out, and I insert it, it becomes one closed box, and this is the structure that I want. To give it that look of Jenga box, I just used color pen and just marked. So using this 3 stacks of Jenga blocks to make boxes like this, square shapes like this, I'm going to make 2 different ornaments. So let's begin with one. So I've taken this, I took this red paper and I'm going to use it like a ribbon. You can even use a ribbon. This was in bright red color, so I decided to use it. And I'll glue it here like this, packaging for a ribbon. Now I need to attach something to dangle it, so another jute string, and I found this shiny silver ribbon and I'm going to place it right in the center like this and glue it all around. Next I'm just tying one single knot here just to bring the 2 strings together, and then add 2 beads here. So first the light color bead and then the dark color bead to get the contrast. And here on top I'm just using this ribbon and add a little bow. And again a little knot at the top. Festivals are about gifts, and having a little gift on the tree near the tree makes it look so much festive. I really like this look. Now for a very quick, and I think one of my favorites. I like all of them. Okay, let's start with this one. This box we made like this, the first one, and then I added 2 buttons. These are pretty soft red color buttons I had in my stash in a thick string, and I have already created the loop here just like I did with the previous 2 buttons, and I'm just going to glue it here. So you can glue it, and if it's a cardboard box, maybe poke it and fix it to the box. Having attached the loop, the next step is take a photograph. So I'm just taking a random picture, but you can take photograph of your family members or yourself and glue it right in the center. I have glued it not straight, not along the lines, little lopsided, because I want to add a little more color. So I have this beautiful little rose with some leaves made out of ribbon, and I'm going to glue it right here to give it a little more color. I think this turned out really beautiful and elegant. This is really beautiful with a personal touch. You can add your family members or friends or kids photographs here, and this looks really beautiful. This ornament you will be needing some popsicle sticks. So I need 4 popsicle sticks of same length. Next I am taking one of this scoop ice cream stick. You can get them all in your craft stores or you can save them. So I'm going to make a Santa Claus. So I'm taking a white cardstock paper because it's easy to paint on it, and I'm placing them in the shape of Santa, and then I'll just sketch out the outlines. I'll just cut this piece out. I'm going to color the top part, which is going to be the Santa's hat, in red. Then a little skin color for the face. Next I'm going to paint all these popsicle sticks and ice cream stick in white color using some acrylic paint. Now all these are painted with white acrylic paint. Now let's assemble the... I'm just adding some glue here on this cardstock paper, on the edges and on this white portion. So you see I've placed the first and the fourth one a little higher up and the second and the third one little lower down. So this will give the shape of the beard and also shape up the face. I'm adding some glue here at the margin of the red and the skin color, and I'll attach this stick also. Now let's make the eyes. So little black. Now I have this little piece of foam and I'm going to make the nose for Santa and just glue it here. Little cotton or pom-pom ball for the cap. Oops, it should dry. Now it's still looking incomplete, we need the mustaches. So I'm taking the same cardstock paper, measuring the width, and then I'm just going to draw a pair of mustaches. So this is going to be the width, and I'm doing it with skin colors, so there's not much of color contrast. So here is the cutout mustache, and I'm adding a little light brown color on its edge to mimic as if it's one of the popsicle sticks, and it will stand out better. Adding some glue at the back. Just slide it under the nose. And we have our Santa ready. Isn't it cute? Now to hang it. So I took a little thin wire and I'm going to give it a little curve and just glue it at the back of this popsicle stick. This is the cutest Santa ever. I think you would love making them, enjoy making them, and involve your family members and kids in making these. I think this is really sweet. Really like each one of my creations today, really happy about them. It's the satisfaction that a creator or a crafter gets by making something which one really appreciates. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, write down your comments, and if you like my content, please share my channel link as well as the video with your friends and family who love to be creative, that too within budget. I thank you all for your support, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Do watch the playlist, and till the next video, stay positive, be creative, and be happy.